Before this trilogy, the books had previously been adapted into a series of animated films. As a child, Peter Jackson grew up watching these, with the 1980s version of Return of the King being his favorite. It inspired him so much that he ended up referencing it multiple times throughout the films. The 1980s Return of the King has an iconic musical number called Where There's a Whip.
Where there's a whip, there's a way.
If you listen closely, this orc plays the very same song on his horn. And here again, a whip sound effect straight from the 1980 classic.
Where there's a whip, there's a way.